In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Outlook Calendar to Notion. By the end, you'll have your Outlook events visible right inside a Notion page, and you'll understand how permissions affect what you see and share. First, make sure you can access both Outlook and Notion. You'll also want to pick the specific calendar you plan to share. Keep in mind that the link you generate will expose details based on the permission level you choose. So think about whether you want full details or just free busy information. Especially if you are working with a team or a company account. Let's publish your calendar from Outlook on the web. Sign into Outlook in your browser, then click the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. Scroll down and select Calendar. Then choose Shared Calendars. In the Publish a Calendar section, use the drop-down to select the calendar you want to share. Next, set the permission level. If you want event titles and descriptions to appear in Notion, choose Can View All Details. If you prefer to hide specifics, pick a more limited option. When you are ready, click Publish. Outlook will generate two links. Copy the HTML link, not the ICS link. The HTML link creates a live, viewable web page that Notion can embed. The ICS link is a static feed intended for calendar apps and won't display as an interactive embed in Notion. If you are using the desktop app, you may be redirected to the web settings to complete publishing. If you don't see the Publish option, your organization may restrict external sharing. So check with your admin. Now, switch to Notion and open the page where you want the calendar to appear. Type /embed to insert an embed block. Paste the HTML link you just copied. Then choose Embed Link. Notion will load your calendar as an interactive iframe. You can click and scroll through dates, and events will display according to the permission level you set. If the frame looks small, drag the handles to resize it. If it doesn't load right away, refresh the page or open the HTML link in a browser to confirm it's publicly viewable. If details are missing, adjust the permission in Outlook and republish to update what's shown. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.